Wi-Fi dead zones are a common problem in modern homes. Areas where your Wi-Fi signal is weak or non-existent can leave you frustrated and disconnected. Verizon Wi-Fi extenders solve this problem by boosting your existing network's range. They eliminate dead zones and ensure strong, reliable signal coverage throughout your entire home. How do Wi-Fi extenders work? The process is straightforward. They receive the signal from your router, amplify it, and then retransmit it to extend your network's reach. With the increasing number of connected devices in modern homes and the growing demand for seamless connectivity, Wi-Fi extenders are becoming essential. Smart homes, remote work, and streaming all require reliable internet coverage. Modern Verizon extenders support the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E standards. These operate on multiple frequency bands, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and the newer 6 GHz band for optimal performance. Compatibility is crucial when choosing a Verizon Wi-Fi extender. For example, the E3200 model is specifically designed to work with Verizon routers model CR1000AB and Fios routers model G3100 to ensure full functionality. Placement is absolutely critical for optimal performance. Position your extender midway between your router and the area with weak signal. Avoid thick walls, metal objects, and other obstructions that can interfere with the signal. Understanding these fundamentals will help you make the most of your Verizon Wi-Fi extender. Proper selection, placement, and setup ensure you get the reliable, extended coverage you need throughout your home. Setting up your Verizon Wi-Fi extender begins with the physical installation. First, find an optimal location for your extender, ideally halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Next, you need to connect your phone or laptop to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. Look for the network name and password on the label attached to your extender device. Once connected to the extender's network, open a web browser and navigate to myfiosgateway.com or enter the extender's IP address. This will take you to the setup page where you can configure your extender. The setup wizard will guide you through connecting your extender to your home Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password to establish the connection. Understanding LED indicators is crucial for troubleshooting your extender. A solid white, blue, or green light indicates normal operation and successful connection to your network. A yellow light typically indicates connection problems between the extender and your router. Try moving the extender closer to your router or checking your Wi-Fi password. A red light signals hardware failure or system errors. In this case, try unplugging the extender for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. If the problem persists, contact Verizon support. For Verizon Fios customers, using a wired coaxial MoCA connection can provide more stable performance than wireless. This setup uses your existing coax cables to create a reliable backhaul connection. Finally, keep your extender's firmware updated for optimal performance and security. Most Verizon extenders update automatically, but you can check for updates through the web interface or Verizon's mobile app. Following these setup steps and understanding the troubleshooting indicators will help ensure your Verizon Wi-Fi extender provides reliable coverage throughout your home. Remember that proper placement and regular firmware updates are key to optimal performance.